That means I didn't know Abraham son. Say once son and can open them. I didn't hear.
Good afternoon, fam. Good afternoon, wherever you are. This is Brother Eben. Today we are going to talk about something very important. Very, very important. You know, I've already told you that I react on things concerning African spirituality, and you know, sometimes things like this is always discussed on our local dialect, that is Twi. I also try to translate to those who cannot understand Twi, even those who can understand Twi but they cannot go deeply into the local dialect. I try to translate to them. Today we are going to talk about this video, and the title is Names and Their Spiritual Effect by Quotation Master. This guy, he is always called Quotation Master. People say he's a controversial man. He always argue on something which is not important, but I also see him in a different way. He's a nice guy. I love him. He speaks the truth. He doesn't fear. He say it as it is. So today we are going to talk about names and their spiritual effect. Names and how it has affected we the Africans so much. So that is what I'm going to talk about today. Go to my YouTube, subscribe, click the like button, share with others so that they can also hear the good news and know their identity and know where they are falling so that they can rise up. Today, let's go to the video.
Yeah, dragging. Oh, I'm a Drubianum. I'm a Drubianum. Say, Parango, I'm going to be a Yanum, other Drubian interest said you didn't bail.
He said there are some certain group of people who have been able to drag us to a certain level that we don't know anything apart from what they have teach us. So that is our problem.
The other two team, no. It be a powerful tool, but me person say maybe answer my brain so. And yes, I want to say it ain't na the obo nipa no Nyankopon obo nipa no. Ofre o man din. O say e say Bible no ka say e say. Yeshua. Yeshua, me ka the obo nipa no. Ono ankasa wodi an oni din. Yam fancy the Nyankopon so wodi. And I mention say
okay, say yeah, you see a friend or bad day Nyankopon.
Oba ba wodi. And I'm nim din no. My Bible, okay, my Bible. Ono ankasa wodi say Bible Nyankopon e bo ade ko wodi, ade ko wodi.
So that makes me identify.
Identification. You say who the person met you we. I say I say boni adwumboni di chiche di. Kwame pepera ko pepera. Pepera mi no ba ko ya kwame na ba ko. So say that.
So he is saying, why do we give name? Why did God give us his name that he is called Yahweh? Why? Because for us to be able to identify him, that is why we call him Yahweh or God. Each and everyone need name for your identification. So if we are going somewhere and we are about 30 people, immediately they mention your name, the name is powerful in such a way that it can stop you. You will stop. All of them who are going with you will never stop, but you have to stop because you have heard your name, and the name has been a powerful tool that stops you. So that is what he is saying. Let's continue.
And this when you say about this own eye, adwumboni di chedi. The di to me be yam fed into your house keke.
And then when you power na mafu
ya to di ni keke they didn't sound and then never have of food bi. Ya kira se. Said that also anwa fa ho adwen. What you say? Ni a bibidi bi ni a kira se that also anwa fa ho adwen. O say abrofo ne ba the secret ni say o pese wo bi so a usani din usani to me.
So no to din to me.
Din to me din me cheche ma ba din to me ni say. Tina me say bi say the obo ade ni mpo odin a sebi ebi mo ni din ma mo no won fa ne Yahweh. What you say? So ono na ebo ade a me kire mu so ono na ebo ade o Bible mu a ye fa ne Yahweh. Okokoro am so a omo fa Allah. What yes, in the advance, Allah, me already, me chichimu, young from so or man a body, but I didn't know woody.
So I be able to identify
What me
what's a machine.
It did say.
So he's saying, and Christian call God God. So God give himself a name for us to identify him. That is why he also give us a name. So the name is so powerful in each and everyone's life. So let's continue.
I nipa break. Say nipa 5 oko. Na kwabrabo afo ya mo nua begina.
There be see friend.
Ba ye boku fi sudi en. Enti din ye nipa break. Kofi unte yetumi bi a chujina de sabe ko.
So he said name is like a break. So he said when we are walking, we are about 2 or 3 people walking, and they mention another person's name, there is no way I will stop. But immediately they mention my name, I have to stop because the name is my break, the name is a powerful tool, and the name is who I am. Without the name, I am not anybody. So let's continue. He's making a point. Before he finish, you understand him.
More than would mean because open back town good because would deal also said in now a crass and the flow. We have our sound in and she said, we put in who will miss.
So he said, even if you were living in a certain village or in a certain area and you have a name they used to call you, when you travel from that place and live in a different area, maybe you will not be using that name you were using in the village, wherever you left. But immediately somebody mentioned that name, you will be shocked and ask yourself, who has been able to identify me over here? You understand? So name is a powerful tool. Let's continue. I'm not preaching, only translating what he is saying.
Nti di to me bi a ehu na no na abrofo hu hia abrofo hia bi o so de hu se yen din no yen bifu din na dai so no amma keke e bata ma sebi ye di ahunhum din toto yen ho so because
so he said those who enslaved Africans, they knew that our names were not just like that. We did not name ourselves just like that, but the names that we had were spiritual things behind our names. So they studied and got to know all this. So what did they do?
Because ye blacks, the mamka Ghana, ye immigrant, ye nantifi klubi sa ni betna ma Ghana mu. If you different race, the infant on 20. So race never betna Ghana no. Omo abakwasem eni di nti omo tutu din. Na omo betna ye no, omo beto ahunhun bi wo ha. Tini yo. Na omo beto omo no omo fu din. Good. Honhom no o yen beto omo wasase so ba na ehu omo. Enti no obetwia wo kasa a wo kan na wapehu din di ama wo. What you say? Enti say honhom am ncho honhom no say honhom let e won kan ha o ye no so o yen kan ni. No abadane kan ni nti o kan kan obeti kan kasa. Ono bekan kan kasa because we shun kasa na e dey afiri ho.
So he said we migrate from somewhere to come and live in Africa. As we got to Africa, there are some spirit in the land. So the spirit learned our local language. So the language that we were using on that land, they also learned the language. So they gave us names according to our language. They did not give us names according to the spirit language, but the languages that we were speaking, the spirit learned from there and gave us names.
Good. So let ya santimema or friend so ya santini. Sa ni na ohun sa o. So ohun no for no say. Boye siremni sanity. Okay. Oh ohun se fun na mani no. Na din na ye de to ye no. Ye na nam so na that time no mo som ahonhum no. Tini you. Ana sebi Bible no so Israel for no mo som omunyame no. Enti no he Bible din na I say Abraham krampo no. Ye say friend Abraham. Ana what me for Abraham be name e be for Abraham. As she say nipa dodo e dey eja. That means I didn't know Abraham so no. Say once sana anka dey na open embem adentia. What in American I say? Even Abraham, and Abraham, and Enchilibia. But Abraham and Enchilas, say, or any Padubu Edja. Into dealing, our influence be the D. Oh, the Pan D. Ben,
so he said, name has an influence on human being. Each and every one, a name that we were named has an influence. So he make a reference to Abraham. Abraham was called Abram. But as God wanted to change his name or his destiny, God said, you are going to be called Abraham. Why? Because if he was called Abram, the name could not have been an influence. The purpose wouldn't have been coming to pass. But because his name was changed to Abraham, the purpose came to pass. That means the power in that name that works in his life. So let's continue.
Oh, different woman. And today, oh, you to me be at the toast why, and young effect also. What you say? And no, said that was why. Let's say, baby, could you to fear bottom there? No. A DNA, they'll told no, a home soon sounds sure. Okay, send this idea. And you do. Why am I don't know phantom? See, Papa, in watching what I eat me. The part of the send that to you. Maybe.
So he said, name has an effect on you. Sometimes you may be going through some problems and trials. You may think it's something else. No, it is not anything else, but it's because of the name that they gave to you. That is why you are facing all those problems. For example, Job was a rich man. He was a good man. Even God testified about Job. But why are so many people not giving their children's name as Job? You can think of it. It doesn't normally happen because we think Job went through so many problems. So that is why we don't give our children's name as Job. So the same way, the names that we name ourselves always have a big influence on us. Let's continue.
What is the Job? Good. What you say? I didn't know this in the back. And I'm going to say, when you say a deal, June pick so the DB day, a better back, say a friend Job. On problem no. It is I didn't great to say, a didn't want to change person of the battle, but in now per se, or quite other day, Job be or Hunia, Sebi, yes, on credit, on you come different, you come deeper, on by David in Solomon, David, the rare name of David, and Tessa, we need to name. The rare name David, where history, and Fanny David. When you're Bruni, any David. But I know it is. Abraham, young femme Abraham. Do any bang on or copy story na young story no, and or brandy no or share no say the baby street to enti open Bible story they are to open DBA din kasi they are to dia o fa din no indirectly na fa do ni krom din but o fa wa mamre din because say Bible no young kasa ya bakwasa mo nsa no maten upside down.
When somebody want to give his son or daughter name, they call them James, Andrew, so many names. But indirectly, it is not our name. It is not our name. And all this name, he even mentioned that David, the name David is not how it was being pronounced. The name David is not in the Bible. Those who rebrand the Bible gave us that name as David. But there is nothing like David. There is nothing like Solomon in the Bible. Those who rebrand, because he said Bible is African culture. So they rebrand it and bring it back to us. So that is why we see all these names in the Bible. So he's going to mention one of the names that is African name.
Intimacy, Solomon, young fellow Solomon, because we are here to Solomon, young fellow Solomon, Israel, to Solomon, Mexico, Israel, Scobita, so you are fellow Solomon.
He's asking, if you go to Israel, did they have any name called Solomon? Do they have any name called David in Israel? Go and ask. Let's continue.
So no more be any. Omukuta Hebrew name so ya kandi. But I know
Hebrew for account for.
me say.
Hebrew for me account.
And I make a children. Obi be the matter because of tribal issues.
So he's saying all the names that were mentioned in the Bible were African names. We Hebrews are Africans, but he don't want to talk about it now. He's going to talk about it later.
Enye enuma eliso. Uko deeper. Eye nyoma esisi ye na record to. Uko Egypt. Sa pyramid na. Edi omu nyina ya kandi. Omo makọ di adanse. Wa omo ko bank omo mekire. Bunia 10 ye wiase no. Say wiase no go straight ya na odi ya ye.
So he said, when you go to Egypt, all those names they written in the pyramids, they are all African names. Some people has turned the world was not like this, but they turn it upside down. That is what he is saying.
Yeah, be ko echi no mo bi ko manim. Enti eye me believe fair we say ye be friend say be kwabon afo dan say be friend James Frimpong, especially me nuanom fantifo ne de yi o ma yera kura
Davidson Robertson.
So he said, black people would love to be called James, Francis, Anthony than to be called with their own local names that they have. We feel ashamed to call ourselves, like me, I'm called Yaubadu, but I always use Ebenezer, which is not African name, but I use it all the time. So we Africans, we love to be called with different names, foreign names, more than our own local names. So let's continue.
Good. When you be
Davidson Robertson.
Oh, Etigana, Mom, Yadia, Omukutom Krum, the Omon Fed Niagro, account for 7. Ibi mu ya de pa omu din no man vantete nordness o man vantete ewes o man vantete na nkranfo but the akara ndi omu I say omu ma ko school mo on say me ba so Dr. Frifa Frifa ye fan say
The later Frifa
the do akona ye fan Francisco Frifa okọ abuchi akọ hu say no say Francis ni nsi unu yi Francis ne topene.
He said somebody like, there is a man called Francis Afrifa, but he went to Europe and studied and know that Francis is nonsense. He has taken the Francis away. Now he was called Afrifa. He take the Francis away. Somebody like our President Akufo-Addo, he was having a foreign name, but he take that away. Now he don't have any foreign name attached to his name. So this guy will tell you the name of our president, whereby he took the other one away. Let's hear him.
You know what the Francis?
Good. Nanado, the current president. Who said near friend say Williams. But say William than to be man.
So our president was called William, but you cannot hear Williams attached to his name again, because he has studied and know that it's nonsense. It is stupid for him to use different name attached to his name. So he took the foreign name away. The same way, very soon I'm going to take Ebenezer away and I'm going to use Yaubadu. Why? Because I'm African. Why should I have to use different name apart from my own local name? That is who I am. I'm going to change it very soon. I promise you.
Good. Obi who say no, ne abafun ko change no. Abafun e bad be wa say di. Yen fa Batman ye dam Batman. First don't fa Batman me boa. Okwa buchi to me no buy no so no ye fa ne samene. E bisa say di ne fa o san di ben fa.
So there is a guy, he's a singer. He was called Batman. That is what he used to be called. But as he went to Europe and he found out that it is nonsense for him to use somebody's name attached to his name. Now he is called Semini. Now he has taken the Batman away from his name. So when you become wise and know who you are, you begin to change things on your own.
I mean, when say nti also dey say the gati near dey eto no so enti nimdie mu no usua du ba bia na wahu say no wo ye mistakes by yen sua dey nye mistakes and correct ye mistakes no dey yen ko mistakes ti wa edi bi da so tete no me ba ye tete sem no sa ansa na edi di ba tu obi no ebi ya abakwasem ebi ye die si ye ene ebi ye ebusua ni tidin ebusua ni tidin ene fa ne say name no what you say
Any different name?
So he said, now when we go to our culture, when you go to our African belief, names were given according to history. Some history, past history, some of the stories behind what has happened in the family, they use it to name their children, and also, what again, let's hear him.
na ansa saa nya beti no ebia me start my brabo me kosua tumi bi na tumi ye fe me pepra terie ana pepra me ko apam se me ko apam me bo mo nyina ba kosi da and da
Forever.
So he said, in the olden days, our ancestors, they can meet with a spirit and they will go agreement with the spirit that me, I'm going to protect you and your great-great-grandchildren. Only if you can give this name that I'm giving to you, to your children, I'm going to give you protection from generations to generations. Our ancestors were dead, but still, so it is still there up till now. So let's hear him.
enti no fami udi edi pepra fatu ubebia so na me shira omo abra won tia say ne kore we den.
So he said, like him, their family name is Pepra. Spirit will say, just give your great-grandchildren, give them this name Pepra, and I'm going to bless them and I'm going to protect them. That is how the agreement always goes. And don't forget, Africans, we are spiritual people, so we know how to make agreement or negotiate with spirits. So let's hear him.
Tu in on de bia ba no e de osuo enti pepra esuo praye so what you say ana e de to pepra no
What does that mean free?
honey free
Okay.
enti no.
So he said, we can die, but spirit never die. He, as he's called Pepra, there's a river in their area called Pepra. So the spirit is in that river, and they use that name to call them as Pepra. That is why he is called Pepra. And this Pepra has been there for so long.
The intini say the sa pepra na to so a sensu no bedi we chia ko ba bi bia la o sa because ono papa kwa pam bi say obabo mo ho ban enti se won fa sa di na to so onimu tieni.
So he said, if they give you that name Pepra, this water has an agreement, this spirit has an agreement with you and your family. So wherever you go in this world, this spirit will keep protecting you. Wherever you go, it will keep protecting you. But if you do not add the name Pepra to your name, this river or this spirit do not know you. That is period. That is exactly how it is.
Uko yi free so wa kwada ko ya kwada bone na obeduru kan na wo yi pepra na free wo.
We no ne mo na cha to mpe enti wo yi we free line no odi o ma maka na chi. Hwe odo pass steady o ma mukuta o man kasa mukuru mudin. Hwe o mo mpuntu odo fo ni to fo.
So this man is saying we should look into our family or into our neighborhood, those who hold their names, their real names, as ancestors gave to them. Look at how they progress. Their progression is always better than those who take different names unto themselves. That is what he is saying.
Be so that jimra ya sabe pa.
Isabe to mo mukuto mukuru mudin o mo ntom titi.
Native name na nkasa no.
On say abofo no buy in the program they say uye Christian a e wo se unya Christian name. Good. And then
So how we got to this extent, when these slave masters came to Africa, they said they are coming to teach us Christianity. As long as you become a Christian, you need to get a Christian name. That was where our problem started from. Africans, our problem started from when these slave masters came with a Bible and said they are coming to teach us good things, they are coming to teach us Bible. Then they changed our names and they said, no matter how you get an African name, you still have to get a Christian name.
Yeah, the Christian name tonight.
We are Muslim. I also Muslim name. Engineer for Kwame Abuaji near the end. Usama Abuaji.
Musalama Abuaji.
Abdullah Abuaji. Masha. I didn't make Abdullah. Me free Abraham Memo.
So he is saying, if you are a Christian and you are called, like me, I'm called Badu, they have to add Ebenezer to my name. If you are a Muslim, they will add Abdullah to your name. You are not from Arab country. Why do you have to add Arabic name to your name? You are not from Arabic country. Why do you have to add Arabic name to your name? You are not from Israel. Why do you have to add Christian name to your name? Let's hear him. He's making sense. You know he is making sense.
You Abdullah. Now say check what you free van. Free crow we say. Oh problem no. Into what you free say crow now Abdullah for so no. Me pacho Africa don't want to Abdullah. Good. But your body say Mahama obi hu akwan free fan. So until they identify baby away be free. Any to be correct.
So he said you are an African and they call you Ibrahim. Then you are not from Africa. Africa, we don't give our name to as Ibrahim. So they have to trace your ancestors through the Asians, the Arabic people. But when they mention your name as Enchi, means they have to go to Ashanti region. Mention your name as those Yoruba names. Then you have to trace the person through Yoruba. That is how it is.
It is a mere say because I bought from personal papa and Namono at the Boafo, Sa Boafo. Boafo, nay, to me be a fan of Boafo or Buenipa. And now Papa Muno say, me no quapam, Boami, I made him massive for baby Batoso. And also, okay, massive for your firm. A Kwame Boafo, Ajama, a deep Boafo, and the Boafo family line.
So he said, like in Ghana, when you hear somebody called Boafo, there was a spirit whose name was Helper. Boafo means helper. So if your family member or your ancestor go and seek help from this spirit, the spirit will say, now I can help you, but add this name Helper to your children. And I'm going to help every member who is called Helper in your family. And the helper is Boafo. Boafo means helper in English. So the name will be there. Any name they give to you, they have to add helper to your name. Any name that they give in the family, they have to add helper to the name so that you join the family.
So what I say, a bad sa, Nipa for be pets are Boafo to me, and they are talking so.
To free family go bet me for dino.
There be so. Now they bet one say a Kwame boy ye na Boafo be nko Boafo nche.
Oh, okay.
Ah,
but some free mo jam free buchi ni.
E di ni wo influence me to the to so be nya sa de no wo be do.
So this man is asking, now if I'm not from the family, I call myself Boafo, is the spirit going to help me or is the name going to help me? The man said, yes, the name can help you. Why? Because if I'm from the family and I'm called Boafo, I can go and marry and the woman will come and join the family and the children we will give to birth, all of them will be called Boafo and the blessing would follow the children. The same way, if I'm from a different family and the name is not helping me, I can give my children's name as Boafo for as long as the other family, they are getting help from the name, then I can give my children, even myself, I can change my name to Boafo because I love the way Boafo family are living. You understand? So you can also name your children after the same name.
free mukura na say ebusua ye me na makohia me na me na gete ebusua boafo na be gina hey there me na ya wodai de nti na opesa wo say no wa kire say wo na ye de na bra me say me nkunu me nye ni say me nye ni say na boafo aka kire o de bida me nkumi na wa foma empata bi wo ho na sa mpata na da mbekere say ebia wo nim because of when nyina wo nim sa abakwasem no obetima me bia firi wo nsem sika ka
so ba shiri bibia so
no de hwia sa de ka de amam
no watrankom wow
because wo nim sa aboafo na ide aboa wo no kwabna ne ye even kwabna no but sa da na wo empo no.
So this guy said it can get to a time that somebody want to destroy you. He will take you to another fetish priest or different places where they want to spoil a member of these names. Maybe you were called Boafo, or you have a different name which back with the spirit. The spirit follows you wherever you go. So whenever somebody from somewhere want to destroy you, he will take you to another gods and say, this so-and-so person, I want you to kill him or destroy him for me. This spirit that is following this particular guy or this particular person will go and meet the spirit and say, why do you want to destroy somebody who is under me? Then he will say, don't you know the person you want to destroy is under me? So I'm not going to allow that. Maybe you want to kill the person. Then the spirit will say, no, it is not going to happen. Only thing they will do is maybe they can spoil something that you have. Maybe you have a car, the car can get accident, this business can spoil. That is a sacrifice for you. Maybe the person want to kill you, but they use all those things to sacrifice for you. Then you will live. You understand? So instead of them to kill you, the spirit has pleaded for you to live. The spirit can plead for you to live. Then they will spoil something that you have. So sometimes when you lose something, you have to thank God and even praise God on that, because maybe what the devil decided to do to you, it is more than what you went through. So let's continue. This is interesting story. I believe you are following what I'm interpreting to you.
Na wunyi na wose da bi boafo enkyira ye din a ede
Mpe Williams
na upe Williams edia ye ne Francis boafo ana wo din aye bia Francis ne ye mfa se abato ye enti boafo no o te bia bi gango be kakra ma anu wasa gwi boafo na be ato atene no aye Francis Williams enti ye bo Francis wo America Williams wo UK onimu.
So he said, sometimes you have a name like Boafo. He is using this Boafo as an example. You have a name as Boafo. You went to Europe or you travel, and later on, even if you did not travel, you say later on, because you are now wise, so you have taken away the Boafo, that is your family name. You have added like Francis to your name. You have added James, John to your name. So later, something is happening to you. Instead of the spirit to help you or to stand by you, they have mentioned Francis. Who is Francis? This do not know anybody called Francis. The Francis is in America. It's not an African name. So how is the spirit or those your ancestors, how are they going to stand by you? You see? So the name that you have added to your name and throw away the African name, it has, destroy everything about you. So let's continue.
Mentia, ubeja utumi odi wachi, meka tunu pray. Obi atumi bidi na chibia. Se o kopetumi fufuro kora, o de di wachi no. Menya no. The oba no onya wo de o rent no. Obetumi ja wachi at any time. But the ono nam firi kura bere ma ye ofie tumi no. Ono de ho obi a yesi akora. So of course sebi Authority right there. Ne mama be there. Ebe ho. And you ontimi nya wotimi dia because apam da won na mo ne won ntem to ontimi mfeli ko feli a on so because omo no so emu o matan honhom na omo titi fie no omo so emu o matan ho. Yese bisi Nyankopon obo ade no onim nyansa. Obi a ndimi bitu enu. Ehye ne say obi a che obi ase. Nti owo andima hwe busuan ni yi na busuan na anye ya. Ye be o so ye twe waso. Nti onu be hwe be yi. This be abi o de fa mo amo abusuan ni mu.
If you go and seek for another power, you make sure you don't forget the power that follows you wherever you go. The one that from your family, those that follows you and your ancestors, negotiate with them, ignore them, because your ancestors up till now, they are the one that knows best. So make sure you don't ignore them.
Or the following to train the right person or the fans of the Jabusian. And maybe you're right. But I say, oh, show what more Busham, we be a man, but how come from that? Wow. When the teachers of Basham so, Sarah, the nation, or yes, said money, yeah. Now, I'm about to see a pigeon day. No, couldn't to more or woman, no, into a Bushiana. Or more yet, Casino, more common in and you feel to me in the damage in the pay.
So this man is saying, spirits also get promotions when they help human beings. So as long as we begin to honor them, we begin to follow them as we were instructed to follow them, they will also try to help us. As they try to help us, they also get promotion. We know that every living being, whether spirit or flesh, we are all going to account. So they also need to do good for them to have more accounts. You understand? That is the belief of Africans. That we know that even spirit, they are going to account for whatever they did. So as long as you keep honoring them, you keep following the instructions, and they also keep helping you, they get promotions. They also get accounts on the last day. We are all going to accounts on our stewardship. So let's continue.
So what I say, ne pejom ti mo e pejom na honhom to e de o ko ni babadabom. Enti nipa ni peja honhom. What I say, na honhom abaya kwa de am. No asom no nso ko no so honhom. Na nso peja enti ate onu peja o si na nso upia no ko. No nso. Onu peja no nso upia no ko. Sa na koye. Na boni hu sa de ne say yenshi otumi bi. Na sa otumi ni ye di ni ntino. Okay, the best thing is you break it down. Na yansesa omudin. Yes, so yeah. Lucky do. No. Afa brand and obo no say destiny. Yes, so we ya change your identity. Obi bia ira.
Why ira kra?
Good. Ti why this so obi bia no. Why you left your system? Because what free ebusian.
So he said that is why all those our slave masters came to Africa. They tried to change our name, because he said, Alpha Brandy said, when they change your name, they change your identity. As long as they begin to change your name, they change your power, they change whatever follows you, they change everything about you. He said, spirits are like human beings. As you begin to honor them, they also help you, then they also go higher.
Christian name. And it's not native name Tibiano, Sasumuno, Yaboa Sunia, Nichi to Abasa, Yankopon, Nephi, Yabama, Christian name, and you Bonia Caudio, and not to Hunsun.
And then I make sure says, sad tricks now from the bomb BT, and almost who say you could now I could send them was it.
You will use a Christian name.
And I met your Christian name, the Western doctrine. I would buy, and I say, so obey a piece with me. I will see a more piece to thee, me pacho. The entity say, said you said in the fruit super, and one offer from furniture.
So this man asked him, when you go to church, immediately they baptize you, they tell you you need a Christian name. So is it good? And this man said, no. Immediately they change your name, they have changed everything about you. They saw that if you keep using your name, they cannot change anything about you. So that is why they bring all those names to us. And it did not help us. Immediately you change your name, you have changed your identity, you have changed everything about you. So let's continue.
No, what am I mentioned tricks be? Israel for no call captivity or Babylon. Go to captivity or Babylon, where they see Yes, he said, almost Israel for Kutomudi. Maybe Omukutomudi and down almost Hebrew names. And he said, almost so many are first and slave, the amount ya quiet, a Biania will be Yako, and it's by own one. Oh, said, you're born Adian or Machana for Biani or Mudi. And Mudino to me no culture. And all Africans to be culture. And to be a different. Well, be Jao, the Akophobidian or by Aqua. System Messer. On said Tetania saying an committee 200 years. Maybe a Biani would be.
Look at this.
Good. Say, one, your sister would be. Why?
He was trying to tell us something about Israelites. He said, as they went to slaves in Babylon, they changed their names, they changed their everything. That was what he was trying to say. But he said, every country has their way of living. Chinese has the food they eat, their language. Europeans have their food, they have their language. Africans, we have our food, we have our language. Our great-grandfathers, they grew more than 100 years before they died. Some of them grew more than 150 years before they died. Why? Because of the food they eat, their language they understand, especially the food is also one of the things that somebody can use to change your identity. Now, I'm not from Arabic country. When I eat Arabic food, definitely I have become an Arabic because everything about Arabic, I do it the same with them, the same thing with them. If I'm not doing it, I'm not doing the same with African. I'm not from Africa. This is just a small analog. Let's continue.
Yeah, what first one? What system, no? And
foreign chemicals,
gold, yeah. I mean, assassin spirituality, assassin identity. The moment you best sound din meba, say what ajekum kufua enyehu.
Emu do ankasa. Who said din emu do name?
O de John never saw so on got on John said that here. Say they didn't John Mama Tia. Jam we ever see. Oh, and to all say, oh, yes, I may be a kiss of phone. Who didn't hold, but all of a DBA, and you're the no be first, and even never.
Most of the times, your boss I didn't come
first, and to Dino, I did to make us in one day you are first. Is it paying you are in trust and what I say? Now, who did the member who denied the secretary at Jacum? Kufuono na John Edinka Alemeto first na sana jekum naba oh nti ama ono mo ba ye first oh abrabo
odum sunsun ko
odum sunsun nti omo dum sunsun two names and you person oti ase yen fa ba.
So he said, like our former president is called John Agyekum Kufuor. John Agyekum Kufuor. Now, if you call him John, you call him Agyekum Kufuor, the name is very heavy. It has a meaning. It has a spiritual backing. But now we have added John to it. And even the John is the first name they used to call before they add Agyekum Kufuor. So the John has already bring the name down. That is how exactly it is. Now I'm called Ebenezer Badu. But now Ebenezer has been the first and Badu is the last. So Ebenezer has bring the Badu down. That is very wrong. We don't even have to add Ebenezer at all. I'm supposed to be called Yao Ebenezer. That is my real name. And I will be proud to use this name again. So all these names are one of the downfall of Africans. Let's continue.
Daniel chapter 1 verse number 6.
What's it?
Now we move out free that phone in Daniel.
Okay, Israel for no ekonkwasum Babylon. Go do Babylon. And Babylon for who say Israel for no kutomudin no wa. Me church no. I say even say ya Mexico. Ya fa Ghana for nyina dia kwatana kwatana Nigeria ti o. And Nigeria for to Obameki obi na ne ade ade. Ana wa fa yenko akwatana e develop. Enti wo so man sa adi ni bi mam church no. Wa man sa adi ni bi. Na se ofane Agyekum Kufuor pepra ni wenu kwa meme ade ade ne onyina obi bisa no koso no dum sa na ade na wo mu din na se da omo ye yenko nje oya sa wo enti de be ni se ene ye mu din bi do onyini o kakasa no fiso ho ni ba na ho ni enti anu ti na ye ka bro fo ne kasa e feel proud to speak English more than even speaking Twi and yet slavery on say o ka bro fo mpo na wutia
yɛbɛsrɛ wo sɛsi
yɛbɛsrɛ ba woka twi na woti a ɛyɛ normal nti twi mpo na nka woka na woti a sɛ yɛsrɛ wo sɛ woyɛ Ghana ni ni awo na wontumi nka twi wo na yɛsrɛ wo.
This man is saying, for example, when Nigerians capture some people as slaves to their country, maybe they capture some Ghanaians and take them to Nigeria as slaves. This is what happens. Nigerians have the names they call themselves. They have Ameka, Chigimwa, Odema, and all those names. So when they capture you to their country and they do not change your name and you still continue using the Ghanaian name, you are not a slave, because the captured one may die, but their children may come and ask, why are we here and we are not answering some of these names? You see how the thing is. So immediately they capture you to their country, they have to change your name. The food they eat, they have to give to you. There will be a time that even those who don't know the history may not realize that they are from different country, but rather they are from different country and were captured to the Nigerians. So he said, that is the only one thing that is killing us as Africans. And he also said something. And he said, especially in Ghana, when you speak wrong English, people laugh at you. But when you speak our local dialect and you speak it wrongly, people don't laugh at you, they take it as normal. Now we value people's language more than our own language. For example, when you go to school and you speak Chi, our local dialect in school, they call it don't speak vernacular. So we call our own language vernacular. You see? So these are the things that make somebody become slave. You continue to be slave all the time because you value people's language, their food more than your own.
Kakshi na wuti a ɛyɛ normal nti twi mpo na nka woka na wuti a sɛ yɛsrɛ wo sɛ woyɛ Ghana ni ni awo na wontumi nka twi wo na yɛsrɛ wo na mmom wotumi ka borɔfo de a woyɛ proud ɛne ntɔm de bi tie no nti mpanyimfo no saa strategy na borɔfo no yɛ no mo so akɔpe na ɔmo so ka borɔfo wɔ parliament ɔmo pa chɔ so ɔmo kɔyɛ campaign a ɛyɛ ɔmo nka borɔfo so ɔmo nyɛ nipa bɛ no bɛtia ɔmo nya
campaign de bi mu
campaign time ma ha ba ka twi wo sna kan ni
when you speak English
wo ka pure twi pa
good one day campaign time ma ma timi ka hausa e kan kran nyina campaign time na de bɛka nkran
na kan kran
nani abere chom so wan kan kran na wotimi mandwe
asefo downfall no
but ɔmo go do parliament ya
really
so na ba me brofo hono nti ase en fon ye bua fa so ye ko ba mi won enti sebi ye ko mu dipa ye mpa fon sebi omo ye bi before there but inside omo adwum omo say abrofo
they know when they speak English
because say man say ye court ntem ye ken
but when they finish
ye dimi hide bi free bro ntem because omo ka bi omo tie so ya bi shi sakans go fun ti omo adwum start ye de eni to omo language a obeka eni so most language now kasa language now do obeka bi o ti ase because on say ye kasa say na me we kasa bi na me kasa bi na on temo adwene ko omo di matema me ha bi ni watemu eni nti na obuani pese o kan kasa na wate de o kan na all the information bi hide no tuma de wate acho enti wo be you slave o be ma odi enti di na da so no me pacho.
So this man said the reason why the slave masters change your language is because they always want to know your secret. There is no way you are speaking your language whereby they will understand you or they will get to know what you are saying. But when you speak their language, they always understand you. They know whatever you are doing. So that is why people give their languages, people give their names to us. So we continue. So this man is saying it happens to be like every Ghanaian has an English name, but it is not supposed to be like that. He himself, he was called Simon. This guy sitting there was called Francis. So every Ghanaian has an English name, but that is not how it's supposed to be. They use the name to change who we are, where we come from, and what we are supposed to be. That is not how it's supposed to be. So we have to change all these names. Let's continue.
Any strategy
slavery be no.
Slavery be no talk kasa. Wasama odi wo ni enti o act so no ba wonye wo no.
So this man is asking us as an Africans that have you seen any white man using an African name before? Have you seen any white man using an African name before. Why did they force their names on us? It's because they know what names can be or what names can do. They want to change your culture. They want to change your identity. Even their food, they push their food on us. That is what this man is saying. So let's continue. I believe I'm making sense.
No, but yakwa. Wow. I'm any pan. Into what I'm wiping no. Sebi, oh, to dinner. Oh, yeah, trabai, crom. Oh, yeah, Santini, be proud of ya Santini. Oh, yeah, Sebi, a queer Many of the say, oh, queer pumuna, and no difference be answered any. Oh, yeah, Pepini, be proud of your Pepini. I
can't put the watch it down.
So this man is also asking, if you are in Ghana, we have so many tribes. We have Akan, we have Ewe, we have Ashantis, we have so many tribes. So he's asking, if I'm from Ewe and they give me Ashanti name, will somebody call me Ashanti person? If I'm from Ewe and somebody call me Ewe Dagomba name, there's no way people will believe that I'm from Northern region. The same way as white people gave us their name, they gave us the name. We are not them. We are not one of them. They do their things on their own. We also do the way we do our things in a different way. So if somebody wants to enslave you, they change your name, they change your food, and so on. So he said, if you are an African and you are named after a different tribe, that one is nothing, because we are all one people. But you are named after Chinese, you are not a Chinese. If you were named after American, you are not an American. If you were named after Britain, you are not a Briton. If you were named after Asians, Europeans, Arabic, you are not an Arabic person. So why do you have to keep that name? Why do you have to be proud of that name? If you understand this language, that is free, I believe you understand what he is saying more than how I'm trying to explain to you. So I'm going to put the link at the description box. Go there, watch it in full. Maybe you can explain it even better than how I've already explained to you. I'm going to end here. Go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, click the like button, share with somebody, and I believe we have a lot to explain. We have a lot. This guy, you see him like a small guy, but he has the knowledge. He studied a lot, so he always give us some brief about Africans. Bye bye.